Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be working on Zelda the zebra. Let's get into it. So today is another project panel. This one is huge. There are a lot of pieces. There are a lot of steps. So we're going to break this down into two videos. So there are 8 steps. And I'm going to do steps 1 through 4 today, and then we'll do steps 5 through 8 on Thursday. So 1 through 4 should get us the body of the zebra made. So that is the end of step 4 right there. And then in the next video, we'll be making the clothes. Once again, I am still using the same pillow worth of stuffing. So this is the 3rd project this week, or not this week, this month, that we are using the same thing of stuffing from, and I've used it for something else. I can't remember what, but yeah, if you have old pillows, use them to make new things. This is part of the project panel series, which we have been doing all month in August. The series will continue into September as we have not finished all the project panels in time, so I'll just continue until we finish all the project panels. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, if you want to vote on the next project, I'll have the playlist link down below. Go ahead and go to the first overview video and you can see all the project panels that are available of what we're doing, and you can vote on what the next one's going to be. So let's go ahead and get this guy ironed, and then we are going to start cutting out the pieces and start making the project, and we're going to do this in a time lapse. Okay, so it is an hour and a half later. We got through steps 1 through 4. This has been by far the best instructions. I love how everything is so well written out, that there's pictures to go along with it. This has definitely been the best project panel out of all the ones that we've done. I was not able to finish steps 1 through 4 in their entirety because I don't know where my hand sewing needles are. So I've got to either find them or just go buy some. So before Thursday's video, I will do that and go ahead and do that off camera so that 1 through 4 is completed. But I just have things pinned. So we have the arms pinned, we have the little ears pinned, and I need to put eyeballs. So that's another thing, like all this stuff has to be hand stitched, right? I just have it pinned. The tail, I feel like I didn't do it right. Like in this picture, it looks like the tail is so long, but I did what it said. It said, use 3 torn strips of black fabric that cut 36 lengths. Group strips together, ends even, tie a knot in the middle. That's what I did. But then like, because it's 36 inches in half, it's less than that. I don't know. Like maybe my like French braiding was like too tight or too loose or something. I don't know. I think the polka dots though is so cute because he's striped and it's like polka dot tail. I don't know. I thought that was so cute. But anyways, here is what he's looking like so far. On Thursday when we get together, we are going to make the dress, and I will have finished hand stitching. So I promise I will do the hand stitching, which also means that I can finish the chicken because the chicken did not get stitched, and fix his foot. So I will go ahead and, oh, his foot just fell off in entirety. So yeah, I need to hand stitch these things down, even though I don't like doing that. But anyways, that is where we're at so far, and we will see you in Thursday's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.